For diabetic patients, lifestyle plays a crucial role in managing the condition. Key aspects include maintaining a healthy diet, regular exercise, managing stress levels, monitoring blood sugar levels, and adhering to medication as prescribed by healthcare professionals. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats can help control blood sugar levels. Additionally, avoiding smoking and limiting alcohol intake are important for overall health and diabetes management. Regular physical activity, such as walking, swimming, or cycling, can improve insulin sensitivity and help control weight. Stress management techniques like mindfulness meditation or yoga can also be beneficial for diabetic patients. Dietitians or nutritionists, to prevent complications through personalized dietary strategies, lifestyle modifications.